What if you could learn the secrets of a billionaire directly from someone who's done it all? Today we're diving into the powerful strategies that propelled Mark Cuban to billionaire status, and trust me, these tips can change your life. Mark Cuban wasn't handed success. From sleeping on floors to owning a sports team, he built his wealth by making bold moves, staying focused, and, most importantly, thinking differently. Secret number 1, be relentless. Cuban's philosophy? Outwork everyone. He says, work like there's someone working 24 hours a day to take it all away from you. He sacrificed weekends, social life, everything just to stay ahead. Do you have that kind of drive? It's not about working smarter or harder, it's both. He lived and breathed his startup, even when no one believed in him. Can you push yourself to that level? Secret number 2, fail fast, fail forward. Cuban doesn't fear failure, he embraces it. Why? Because each failure teaches you a lesson to grow from. He's been broke, his first business didn't pan out, but he learned, adapted, and kept going. Take risks, experiment, and if you fail, learn. That's how he went from selling trash bags to owning a chunk of the Dallas Mavericks. Secret number 3, be self-taught. Cuban didn't wait around for someone to teach him. He read everything he could get his hands on about technology, coding, and business. He says, the more you learn, the more you earn. His willingness to outlearn his competition gave him the edge. And here's the thing, you don't need a fancy degree. Cuban didn't get rich because of an MBA. He got rich because of relentless self-education. Secret number 4, embrace technology. Cuban's a tech junkie. He says, if you're not willing to invest in tech, you're setting yourself up to fail. He jumped on the internet boom, selling his company for $5.7 billion just as the dot-com wave hit. Spot the trends, dive into them, and own the future. So, are you embracing the future? AI, blockchain, the metaverse? Cuban says the next billionaire won't come from old industries, but the digital revolution. Where are you focusing? Secret number 5, give back. For Cuban, it's not just about money, it's about impact. He's a big believer in helping others, whether it's investing in startups or giving to charity. His advice? The more you help others, the more opportunities come your way. Remember, wealth is a tool for change. When you lift others up, you elevate yourself too. So, there you have it. Mark Cuban's proven secrets to becoming a billionaire: hard work, learning, taking risks, and giving back. Which of these are you going to start applying today? Make sure to hit that like button if you found this valuable. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more life-changing insights from top entrepreneurs. This is your time. Let's go crush it.